Somebody caused me to do it. We have all these parents who say, well, I've told my kid if somebody goes after them in the playground, they should just bash them one. So then I get parents who sit in my office sometimes, and they say, wow, that kid spit on my kid, so I told him if he gets spat on, it's okay to punch him in the face. It takes me a half an hour to get dad or mom to realize that your child punched someone in the face. But the other kid, your child punched someone in the face. But the other kid, your child punched someone in the face. I'm not as concerned. I am concerned what other kids do, but I'm concerned about how your child responded to the problem. Our kids are ill-equipped when it comes to responding to things. Their automatic response is blame someone else, get out of it, and not be accountable for their own behavior. And that's one of the big reasons why they can't seem to follow rules. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.